Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best waste oil furnace is probably one of the most innovative and cost-effective heating solutions available today. These furnaces transform used oil, like motor oil and transmission fluid, into a powerful heat source, making them an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their heating costs and environmental impact. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of waste oil furnaces, exploring their benefits, how they work, and what you should consider before making a purchase. Number 5. 9688-56L8 Waste Oil Furnace Transformer and Igniter. This is a crucial part for your waste oil furnace. It ensures the efficient and safe operation of the system. This component is designed to provide reliable performance. The unit operates on a standard 120-volt power supply. It's designed to be compatible with most residential and commercial electrical systems. This makes it easy to install and use. This high-voltage transformer is essential for ignition. It generates the spark needed to ignite the waste oil. This ensures a reliable start every time. The igniter is a key component for the combustion process. It works in conjunction with the transformer to create the spark. This ensures the furnace starts and runs smoothly. This part is built for durability and long-lasting performance. It is designed to withstand the demanding conditions of a waste oil furnace. You can rely on it for consistent operation. What we like. This furnace features a 120 VAC 60 Hz transformer, ensuring a strong spark for ignition. It's perfect if you need a dependable system to handle various waste oils. If you are looking for a consistent and powerful ignition source, this is the one for you. What people say. Correct part for a Lanair waste oil heater. Good. Number 4. Lanair Ignitor 14000V Ignition Transformer 9688-56. This is the Lanair Igniter. It is a crucial component for your waste oil furnace. This igniter ensures reliable ignition. This igniter delivers a powerful 14,000 volts. This high voltage ensures efficient and consistent ignition of the waste oil. The ignition transformer is a key part of the system. It is designed for the 9600-8856 models. It provides the necessary power. This transformer is compatible with 9600 and 8856 models. It is built to the highest standards. It is a reliable part. This igniter is designed for Lanair waste oil furnaces. It is a vital part for the furnace to function correctly. It helps to keep your system running smoothly. What we like. This Lanair igniter provides a robust 14,000 volt spark, ensuring efficient combustion. It's designed for use with specific furnace models, offering a direct replacement solution. If you have a Lanair furnace and need a reliable igniter, it's a great choice. What people say. The furnace has a very efficient heat exchange system. The furnace is well built and designed for easy maintenance. The fuel consumption is lower than expected, which is a significant advantage. Number 3. Waste oil furnaces part number 3728-3729 Ignition Spark L8. This ignition spark is porcelain insulated, ensuring durability and safety. It's designed to withstand high temperatures and provide reliable performance. The design features a two-prong configuration for easy and secure connection. This allows it to integrate seamlessly with your existing system. This is a single-piece construction, simplifying installation and maintenance. This design ensures a robust and long-lasting component. This ignition spark is designed for waste oil furnaces, specifically part numbers 3728 and 3729. It is a critical component for the proper function of your furnace. This L8 ignition spark is a key part of the furnace's ignition system. It provides the spark needed to ignite the fuel, ensuring efficient and reliable heating. What we like. This ignition spark plug features porcelain insulation for durability and a single-piece design for easy installation. It's a great option for older furnaces. If you like a simple, reliable spark plug, consider this one. What people say. Fit perfect and works great in my clean burn waste oil furnace. Got this one because of the adjustability of electrode to nozzle. Number 2. WAN's waste oil burner heater. This advanced sensor ensures the burner operates safely. It constantly monitors the flame, shutting the system down if any issues are detected. This feature provides peace of mind and prevents potential hazards. The Lanair clean burn technology maximizes efficiency. It ensures a cleaner burn, reducing emissions and maximizing the heat output. This results in better performance and environmental responsibility. EnergyLogic optimizes the heating process. It intelligently manages the fuel consumption, providing consistent warmth. This system helps to save energy and reduce operating costs. This heater is designed for efficient waste oil burning. It is a reliable solution for heating various spaces. The system is built to last and provide consistent performance. This product is a great choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient heating solution. It is designed to provide consistent warmth while minimizing environmental impact. It is a smart investment for any space. What we like. This burner heater includes a CAD cell for flame detection, ensuring safe operation. It's designed for various waste oil furnaces. If you prioritize safety and reliable flame monitoring, it's a solid choice. What people say. The item was exactly what I ordered. The torpedo fired up and ran like it should. Number 1. Clean Burn 33013 Solenoid Assembly. This is the 33013 solenoid assembly, designed for older clean burn waste oil furnaces. It's a crucial component for the air and oil system. This part ensures the furnace operates efficiently. The solenoid assembly is essential for controlling the air and oil flow. It manages the mixture for optimal combustion. Without it, the furnace won't function correctly. This is a complete assembly, ready for installation. It includes all the necessary components for a seamless replacement. You can easily get your furnace back up and running. Specifically designed for older clean burn waste oil furnaces. This part is a direct replacement, ensuring compatibility. It's a reliable solution for maintaining your heating system. Make sure you have the correct part number, 33013, for your furnace model. This solenoid assembly is a genuine replacement part. It will restore the performance of your furnace. What we like. This solenoid assembly is designed for older clean burn furnaces, controlling both air and oil flow. It's a complete assembly, making replacement straightforward. If you have an older clean burn furnace and need a replacement, it's the perfect solution. What people say. The furnace is well built and seems very efficient. The furnace has a good design. The furnace works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.